These things are amazing right here.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And we're clowning a little bit today. If anybody can guess what we're riding in, I will send you a free t-shirt.
But they're going to know by the time they watch the video. It's going to be there.
So we're
You need to put a picture on Instagram.
yeah, I need to do that. So anybody can guess what we're riding in. We are actually in Doo-Doo Brown / the Brown Frown. We actually haven't named the car yet, but kind of last minute, Dover picked up this fantastic vehicle, which we're about to show you. And I'm also going to kind of go over
Seatbelt don't work.
what is. Seatbelt doesn't work.
Oh, who needs it?
The air is on. Okay, we're actually going to kind of go over, if you're kind of a noob to the game, what is an actual Fox body? Because a Fox body is actually not just a Mustang. Fox body is everything. So here we go.
What a daily driver, huh?
I'm not lying. I drive this one all day, every day.
All right, guys, well, like I was saying, Fox body does not just relate to a Mustang. There was Fairmonts, there was LTDs, there was Capris, there was Cougars, Thunderbirds, all that. The first Fox chassis was actually not a Mustang, it was a Fairmont in 1978. So, without further ado, we're going to introduce you to the Brown Frown. We're gonna kind of go through the Brown Frown / Doo-Doo Brown. I don't know, what have we named it?
Fugly body.
There we go. The fugly body, the F body, well, whatever. But anyway, let's go over this. First of all, Fox body has to do with the chassis, and this car is actually on the same chassis as my 92 LX, Dover's LX, all that. So let's start under here.
Hey, ain't pretty.
And we just got like a basic flat tappet 302, rocking the Edelbrock carburetor. Oh, look at these valve covers, dude. Epic. We got the headers. But anyway, that's not why we're looking under the hood. If you look at the firewall, you look at the fender aprons. I mean, even, well, those are odd strut mounts. But anyway, this is a Fox chassis. Anything you can do to a Mustang, you can do to this car right here.
Like coyote swap it?
Uh-oh. Yeah. All right, so moving on. Obviously, it's 4-lug, just like the Mustang. It's got the 10 holes on it with a little black. Dig it.
I'm telling you, dude.
Obviously, it's going to be a little bit longer wheelbase, but still the same body underneath. What this car has, it's been converted to T5 using all Mustang parts. Here, there we go. Now we won't hear that anymore. T5, obviously this used to be a column shift car, but those are Mustang pedals. They bolt right in. Why? Because that's a Mustang firewall, or excuse me, a Fox chassis firewall. Even the door handles are Mustang. And just like any other Fox body, you have cup holder problems, so there you go. Now, as far as air conditioning, this is your air conditioning. No, I'm just kidding. But it's got the Doo-Doo Brown interior, which is just phenomenal. And hold on, we got gauges. We got gauges. So that solidifies this as a race car. It has gauges. So let's go on to the back here. Got plenty of room in the back. Mustang door handles again. Uh-oh. There's an ashtray. Bam! That is epic. All right, so moving on. Now the hatch, unfortunately, does not open. No, the hatch doesn't open at all, right?
Glass does, but not like it.
Okay, just the glass.
He may know how to do it.
But as you can see, there's plenty of room here for slicks and nitrous bottles, batteries, all of that. I mean, just look at that hiney on that thing. That is hot. What? Okay. Now, back to the show.
You're entertaining this.
I know, right? This thing is absolutely phenomenal. All four of us large-bodied people rode in this car, and we can do a burnout in it.
I doubt that.
No burnouts. But anyway, it's brown. Like I mentioned previously, it's brown. We got the patina on the roof, you know, so it's like total classic Fox body. So there you go. This thing is epic. And I'm in love. All right, guys, so we're having way too much fun. I forgot to talk about the roof rack. You gotta love the roof rack. I don't know what we need to put up here, like a surfboard or something. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you think what we should put on it. But Dover's like thinking coyote swap. And Ken actually mentioned putting the Mustang front end on the car, which will actually bolt up. But the problem is then you lose all that.
Originality.
Exactly. You lose that. And of course you can't buy reproduction parts for these cars. Nobody makes them. So she actually looks better like this, personally. I like all the dents and the paint. I love it. Those are even Mustang wiper arms on the thing. I mean, come on. Just too cool. So, we need to fire this turd up. All right. So you got your 85-mile-an-hour speedo, and then you've got your fuel gauge. Hold on. You got your fuel gauge, all that. You have your no tape player. How cool is that? And then, now watch this. This car has a magical clock in it. Check this out. Is this car fast? See? It says no. It's not fast. But anyway, let's fire it up. Give it a rev. Oh, do you hear that? Do you hear that? She is an absolute beast. Can you even freaking believe this thing? All right, so we are actually here hatching ideas. And Dover, how tall are you? 6'3", 6'4"? Dover is 6'6". Look at all the leg room back there.
Headroom, ain't got headroom.
Look, Dover's got headroom, leg room, everything. And he is in the back seat. Cody, what do you think?
I love it. I want it.
Yes, I want it too. So are we driving? What are we doing?
Somebody driving.
All right, well, let's go. Let me drive.
Right now.
I want to drive. I want to drive. Ken, do you want to drive?
No, I'm
Drive,
good.
yeah, no.
Ken, why don't you want to drive?
Because he's going to want to sell the 18 and buy this.
Exactly. Ken wants the wagon. Like I said, I asked the car earlier if it was fast. It says no. So, we're just going to drive. Ken's going to film.
Hold on. Safety first.
Oh, Ken's got to put his belt on. The brown seat belt. Yes, the seat belt's brown too. So, this thing. Oh my God.
You got to go into town and get food in this thing.
You really should. I mean, we ought to stop and get groceries. The shift's so good. I mean, oh, we got the air on too high.
You gotta turn the knob.
Oh, the knob.
You gotta twist the knob.
The knob. Check out the knob. Look at this. I'm playing with my knob. Okay, much better. Now, the question is, and drop a comment below, is this cool or are we just crazy? And I don't care what you say. This thing is cool. Like a mile, and Ken was just drooling all over me. He had to drive the doo-doo brown. So, Ken is going to drive the doo-doo brown. So here we go.
Hold on.
We got to do a little seat adjustment here.
I'm not as tall as some people.
Ken was like getting drool all over my arm, so I had to pull over and let him drive. So, all right, Ken, you ready to rock?
Oh, I'm so ready.
All right, so we're gonna hit that gear. We're
You
gonna
don't get the e-brake or nothing on, do you?
No, you're good. So here we go. No dual mass flywheel. No. Oh, what is that noise? Oh God! Oh, he ground him,
Oh, down
dude.
there. I got
Yeah.
you. That's why your transmission broke.
Exactly.
No, that right there.
Yeah, the whatever that is. I don't know what that is. Hold on, I gotta crank
Yeah,
this back.
don't like. Hold on.
What? What'd you do?
Seat's too far forward.
Oh, okay.
That's why I can't shift it.
I had to turn this back.
I forgot. I didn't think nothing about that.
Okay, get your seat adjusted here. I mean, you've got to get the full effect of this, dude. Because this is just pure awesome.
All right, 5K
Look at that pistol grip shifter.
5K duck. Let's go.
No, let's not do that. The suspension on this car is really loose, so you have to be careful around bumps. And, oh, God. Ah! Okay. So maybe I'm being a little dramatic.
Very dramatic.
And see, they're just chilling back there. Like we got 4 people in this car. Ah! Yeah, we're not gonna, well, we might
We
make
got
it.
this.
Oh God. Did we make it? Yeah, we made it.
You can't get the fumes on video.
Yeah. The exhaust fumes from this carbureted 302 are horrendous. That's why we had to cut the drive short, because we're all gonna die of asphyxiation. But, wow.
Wherever you are, it don't matter.
Yeah.
Just pull it down there if you want.
Yeah. So, Ken.
Oh my Lord.
I swear, as much as I love my Mustangs, this car has like totally just, I don't even know what to say.
That's what it was, Dover. You can't put this thing in second with the seat up.
Yeah.
It's all the brown, I think, that's doing it for me. I don't know.
That's so
I think the
awesome.
fumes are getting to him.
The fumes are probably getting to me too. Ken, show us again the difficulty you were having here.
What? Well, what? With the
So you had to scoot
Hold
the
on.
seat up a little
Hold on.
bit.
Hold on. See, I had to scoot the seat up because I'm short.
Right.
And then when you go to second, it hits the seat and you gotta.
So we're gonna have to like modify. What is that, a cup holder? Or
We gotta take that out.
what is that?
Oh man, it's
Because that's the cup holder there.
See, your
You notice-
armrest goes right here. It's kind of like a little change holder, whatever you want to call it there.
We know it's not a cell phone holder.
See, now if you scoot it back, it's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah,
But
we
I'm
know
not
it's
that
not
tall.
it's not a cell phone holder because the car's an 83. Like,
probably
It's not a cell phone holder.
Nice, look.
hold on, let's see how the
nice,
phone.
nice.
Yeah, that actually is nice. You can see the screen. That is epic. Mustang pedals.
E-brake works.
I mean,
That is
jeez
awesome,
Louise.
I never did drive it.
That is so awesome.
Okay, so we got to have a powwow because obviously this car's got to be built too. I mean, it's even got the V8 Thunderbird badges on it. This thing is just beyond cool. It's a Cobra too. Look at the tires. It's a Cobra. Okay, so Dover, what should we do with the wagon?
Coyote swap 5-speed.
Yeah, stick car.
Yeah, stick.
Ken, second.
I second his.
Yeah.
I've got a turbo laying at the house.
Yes,
Coyote turbo.
Coyote Turbo
Saying.
on the epic wagon. I mean, Jiminy Christmas.
It's a whole set HX.
It's a what now?
Whole
What?
set HX60.
Okay, so we need to take that turbo, put it in there, and
It's a big one.
obviously, if you've caught the other videos, you know we've got plenty of Coyotes. So, yeah. What about bullhorns? Like if we did the bullhorns, you know, we could do the bullhorns like right here, coming out. Ooh, we might need tires at some point. But, yeah. This car is just way too much fun. Can we get a thumbs up for the brown frown? Yeah! Hatching ideas. Another fantastic thing about the wagon, you know, because I can envision all of this right now. Okay, we've got like an intercooler tank over here. We've got the battery, a couple of nitrous bottles, and you still have room for some slicks.
Okay.
I mean, you can't beat that. Cody, what do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Ken?
Yeah.
I mean, we could rearrange it. We could put the nitrous over there and the intercooler tank over here for the turbo. But you still have room for the slicks. I mean, this, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Hold on. This is like a rear glove box. Hold on. What's in this?
Another nitrous bottle.
Dude, I don't even know what's in there. There's like random stuff in there. Hold on. It's a clock. It's a clock. Dude, hold on. The glass is falling down. Look at this clock.
Oh, that little compartment. That's
We need to
all
put that on the, what's that?
On the dash. Put it on the dash.
We could put that on the dash. Hold on. Let's go do it.
that little antique Rojo one.
All right. We're going to put the clock somewhere. Maybe over by the gauges. All right. There you go. Boom, done. I love it. So anyway, yes, we are hatching ideas. This car is going to be even more fun. The 86 mini tub project might take a quick back seat, not a long back seat, but a quick back seat to this car because everyone's fallen in love.
Yeah, it's like a door panel. Pops off.
This thing is awesome. I love it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed Doo-Doo Brown, the Brown Frown. We got to come up with an actual name for it.
The Fugly Body.
The Fugly Body?
Instead of Fox Body, the Fugly Body.
Okay.
Jeremy named it.
That's right. That's right. Well, it's just got this whole brown theme, you know. I thought brown should be in the name.
Well, you have to clean off.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the LTD wagon. Stay tuned for a build on this car. It's gonna be so much fun.
Mr. Hanky.
Like, instead of working, we're actually standing out here like hatching ideas for this car. And we may actually all take it to get some lunch here shortly. I don't know. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I will see you June 9th, Ford Takeover, Jackson, Tennessee. Make sure you're there. Later.